Welcome to a well-cared-for home that is better than new at 7806 Train Station Way in Knoxville. With 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, this home was built by Evergreen Custom Construction. It's a Henry floor plan, an open floor plan offering up 9-foot ceilings throughout. You'll appreciate the large living area that will host guests easily and a convenient half bath that's tucked out of sight. Step into the oversized kitchen, featuring tons of storage, including this great pantry. We've even included a breakfast bar along with a large eating area. Take the stairs to your bedrooms, planned with care, providing style and privacy. Here's your primary, an oversized bedroom that more than meets your comfort level. It offers up the adjacent bath with double sinks, a large soaker tub, and this beautiful walk-in shower. In addition, this organizer walk-in closet will more than handle all your needs. You'll enjoy added convenience at this excellent hall bath with single sink and tub bath combo. There's also a large laundry and, of course, additional storage. 7806 Train Station Way offers so many extras like a tankless water heater, LED lighting, a 24 by 20 foot garage that'll accommodate 2 cars easily, a great location, and more. Schedule your private tour today. Call Joanne Mielenz of Sparks Realty direct at 865-599-6300.